Hello all. So welcome to the Dr. GY lecture series. Myself Dr. Yuvaraj, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department from SNS College of Technology. So in this last video, we just covered the topic. It is regarding wet photopolymerization. So in continuation with the previous lecture and this session, I am going to clarify what are the major machine components which has been used in the wet photopolymerization and how does it work, what is the advantages of using the wet photopolymerization, and how this wet photopolymerization can helps to build this structure in layer by layer, and what is the control system which has been adopted in the wet photopolymerization. In all that way we are going to see one by one. Okay, so here this session it is about the machine components. So in this machine components we use it to take either by resin wet structure or else the build platform. It can be used with the help of UV laser and along with their control system. So this laser unit which can process the light over the beam, and according to the axis movement the laser beam which can either it is getting reflected over the object size or either it is getting absorbed by the resin. So according to the photopolymer resin, this build platform moves in XY direction, but at the same time the reservoir and the laser beam it can be totally controlled by using the control system, but with the help of UV laser phenomenon it can be either we need to improve their intensity of the laser or either we can able to decrease it. According to the customization we can able to do anything. Okay, so this is how these machine components will do working with the wet photopolymerization. So generally we are using the layer curing. The layer curing is nothing but it is the laser cures the resin where exactly we need it. Okay, for example, if we build this structure, let us think if we made the layer of car shape by using the additive manufacturing process, it can be cured with the help of the scanning process, and this laser can exactly cure the layer, and it can be able to move the platform after each layer for the very fine resolution. And the smooth surface finish has been obtained only by involving the laser. In addition to the wet photopolymerization, it can able to do the performance. Okay, so this is how we have to make the structure of layer curing, and only with the help of defined structure we can able to make it. Okay, this surface finish is not only depends upon the type of material but also the type of the process which we are used for the manufacturing is taken as an accountable one. Okay, and the surface finish which has been adopted is totally very high, and the layer temperature which has been keep on increasing with respect to their thickness of the structure. So based upon the thickness of the object and based upon the application of component which we are using, their layer has been keep on varied. So that is how we need to prefer the layer curing. And the advantages is using the layer curing is process. We know that for any 3D manufacturing or 3D printing, if we used the high dimensional accuracy which we followed, and it having a excellent surface finish, and it is ideal for small detailed parts, and their medical and the dental use as the major accomplishments by the 3D printing process. By using this we can able to make a artificial tooth and artificial stunt for the human purpose, for the human body enhancement purposes we have to prefer all those. Okay, and this is the activity which I planned for you guys. it is about the process comparison of photopolymerization. So I am assigning you the topic regarding the wet photopolymerization with respect to the given images. So what you have to do is you just simply need to compare the features along with their current requirement. Okay, and you need to list out the 3 characteristics of wet photopolymerization and why we need to build about those. Okay, so that is how we need to find out by through this activity. And the only limitation of this component is about brittle metal behavior, and the UV sensitivity is very less, and resin handling safety is also very less, and it having a limited durability. So that is why these are all the major limitations which has been listed regarding the wet photopolymerization. And with this I am going to stop my session. Thank you so much.